Hello students, hope you all doing well. Today I am going to teach you Social Studies of Class 5. Topic is India, location and its neighboring countries. So students, as you know, our country name is India. In this chapter, we learn about its location and its neighboring countries. So, India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. Russia is the first largest country in terms of area. Okay, and population wise, it ranks second in the world after China. India covers an area of about 32,87,263 square kilometer, which is about 2.4% of total land of the earth. So student, India is covering 2.4% of total land of the earth. Okay, so next slide please. So class, in this slide we learn about the location of India. India is situated north of the equator and lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. It is situated in the continent of Asia. It lies completely in the northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. It is centrally located in the South Asia. So, in this slide, we learn about the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of India. Latitudinal extent, India extends from 88 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes from south to north. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the country and it divides India almost to equal parts, that is northern and the southern halves. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Okay, and the north-south extent of India is about 3,214 kilometers. Okay, and the longitudinal extent is India lies between 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes from west to east. The longitude that passes through the middle of the country is taken as the standard meridian of India. So it passes passes through west of Mirzapur near Allahabad, that is in UP. So it passes through the many states, that is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. And the east to west extent of India is about 2,933 kilometers. I hope you all understood this, the longitudinal and the latitudinal extent of India. So come to the next slide. Now in this slide we learn about India and its neighboring countries. Okay, Indian Peninsula is bounded by the Great Himalayas in the north, the Indian Oceans in the south, the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. India has a land frontier of 15,200 kilometers. Okay. So now, as you know, India is located in southern part of Asia. It is the second largest country in the Southeast Asia. It is in the northern hemisphere, in the eastern hemisphere of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world as per area. And India has a very vast geographical area with land border of 15,200 kilometers and also very lengthy coastline of 7,516 kilometers. Here we learn about different countries which shares border with India. So class, India shares its international border with several sovereign countries. It shares land borders with China, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan and Afghanistan in the north or northwest, and with Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, and Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south. Okay class, as you see in this picture, that Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka are the neighboring countries of India. So student, in this slide we will study the Indian subcontinent. What is that? In terms of modern geopolitical boundaries, the Indian subcontinent constitutes India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan, besides by the convection the island nation of Sri Lanka and other islands of the Indian Ocean such as Maldives. Okay, the Indian and its adjoining countries Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh are called subcontinent. All these countries make a distinguished, large and unbroken geographical region which is cut off from the rest of the Asia. So when the Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, they all are, and Bangladesh, they all come as a, they are taken as a single boundary and unbroken geographical area and from rest of the Asia, and this make them a Indian subcontinent. Okay. Now the next slide is coastline of India. Okay. Coastal India is a geocultural region in the Indian subcontinent that spans the entire coastline of India, that is 7,516 km around the peninsular India. Okay, India has a regular coastline on both sides of southern peninsula. The total length is 7,516 kilometers, and the southernmost point of Indian mainland is Kanyakumari, where Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea meets. Meeting place of three seas, namely Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. And earlier the southernmost point of India was Indira Point in the Great Nicobar, but is submerged in the sea as in the tsunami. When the tsunami came in 2004, it submerged in the sea. So now the point where Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal meets, that point is now called Kanyakumari. So this is the black line you see in this picture. This is the coastline of India, which is surrounded surrounded by a Arabian Sea in the east and Bay of Bengal in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. Now the next slide is about the Indian islands. Okay, now there are the two main island groups, that is the Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman Nicobar group of island in the Bay of Bengal. India has a vast mainland. Beside this, the country has also two groups of islands also. The two groups of islands are the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. Now we will study about the Lakshadweep Islands. This is a group of 36 islands, inlets and reefs located in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep is located in the Arabian Sea. They form the northernmost portion of the submerged mountain range containing Lakshadweep, Maldives and Chagos group of islands in the Arabian Seas. These islands are of coral reef origin and have no hills or streams. Okay, and the next group of islands are Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. This group of islands include as many as 572 islands of varying sizes of which is about 38 are inhabited. Okay, and though normally referred to as Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. It consists of two distinct groups separated by a deep channel called 10-degree channel. Andaman group, Great Andaman and the Little Andaman Nicobar Islands contain 22 islands and the 10 inhabited. So you see the Andaman and Nicobar are located in the Bay of Bengal side and the Lakshadweep are located in Arabian Sea. Okay, these two are the main islands of India. So student, I hope you all understood this chapter, India, location and its neighboring country. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and please write your name and class when after watching this video. Thank you.